Hello! Good morning! It's me, Myra! Hello to all of you! Good morning everyone! Good morning! Once again, it's me, Myra, and welcome to our channel. So, I hope all of you, everyone, have a nice day. Hello po! Kumusta po kayong lahat? All the way from Philippines, my regards to all of you, to all my subscriber. So, hello po. So, for today, I would like to share something to all of you. It's all about of course, my version again, because today, I decided to share my version of how I'm going to cook the pork with chicken curry. So, this is my own way. This is my own version. So, if you are interested, then please stay tuned and happy watching. So, let's start it, everyone! Hi, everyone! So, everything is ready. This is our ingredients for today. We have 2 pieces of pork chop that I cut into small cubes, and we have two pieces of chicken because my daughter, she doesn't want the pork, so it's okay to mix it together. And I have mixed vegetable, carrots, potato, and eggplant. And then this is our seasoning ingredients. So we have bay leaf, garlic, onion, tomato, green and red chili, and of course the pork nor cubes. And then we have salt, black pepper, rosemary, and this is the curry powder, oil, and evaporated milk, and of course the this one, oyster sauce. I don't use soy sauce. So that's it. So everyone, before I start to cook this pork and chicken curry, so this is the pork and chicken curry, right? And then I'm going to add this ingredient, salt, black pepper, and rosemary. So this is my way. And then I'm going to marinate it for 10 minutes first. So then I'm going to add this oyster sauce. This is Indonesian oyster sauce. I'm not going to use any soy sauce, only this oyster sauce. Just like this. And then I'm going to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes until everything is absorbed and combined. I can add also this bay leaf. I love adding this bay leaf because it gives a it gives a very, very nice aroma. Just like this, very easy.
A few moments later.
So ayan, hahayaan ko po muna siya na mag-simmer until mag-come out yung juicy niya ng manok at pork. At later, ilalagay ko na yung other ingredients. So, ganun po yung way ng pagluto ko. So, ang init. Pawis na ako. So, ayan, di ba? Lumabas na po yung katas ng manok at pork. Ayan, ganyan po siya. Magiging creamy siya and juicy. And then, mamaya natin siya lalagyan ng tubig at ng other ingredients. So, diba? Yummy!
So, ayan, ready na po siya. Ngayon, ready na po maglagay ng isang basong tubig. Ayan. Pagpapakuluan po natin siya.
So, ayan, hahayaan po natin siyang kumulo and takpan po muna. everyone, presenting my version of pork and chicken curry. So as you can see, this is it. So what can you say about it? Let me know if some of you like my version and you can try it on your own. And this is spicy pork chicken curry. So simple, but I put all my effort to prepare this. So looks so creamy. Look at that. So ayan, eto na po yung version ko. So yummy! Ayan, napakabango and napakasarap. So before that, of course, kailangan kong tikman para sa inyo. So ready? Sarap. Napakalambot po ng pork and chicken and napaka-saucy and creamy. Yung gulay niya, half cook lang. Kasi, kanina tinanggal ko siya nung okay na siya para sa akin. So yan, that's it my vlog for today. Bye-bye!